This is how you can create a chat meeting with people. And as you can see, this is my Teams app that I have up right here. I go to the chat and right click, I can click new chat, type in the email addresses of the people that I want, and then welcome to our meeting. Hit the send button. And so I've created a text chat meeting with these two people. And I can change the name here. So maybe I want to change the name. And you can add other tabs here if you want. Actually, it doesn't look like we have the ability to, but that's okay. Because you can add files here, share, upload from computer. So I just sent this file, the students, and there it is right there. I can also share a YouTube video if I have one. Of course, you can share any kind of link here that I like, and this is to get it started. So you can go ahead and upload your files beforehand if you want, and then when you're ready to call, you can initiate the video call. You can share your screen with this button, and here we go. And you can also share. Here's the share. So that's how you can get it started with a team chat, creating a team chat.